Okay, we're now down to the end of the PowerPoint unit, and we have one last project that we're going to do. It's going to allow you to demonstrate all the skills that you've hopefully learned. And this is going to be an About Me PowerPoint, and I'm going to give you some examples to get you started. But the first thing that you have to do in your PowerPoint is you need to design the slides. And you're going to be downloading this template. This is called a storyboard, where you're going to just type out the information that you want to go on each slide. For example, slide 1 is always going to be your title slide. So this would be, the title would be About Me, and then somewhere down here you might put your name. Okay, so that would be slide 1. Now, you're wondering, well, what kind of stuff are you going to put on here? Well, like I said, this should be the easiest research project that you'll ever do, because it's all going to be about stuff that is related to you, your family, your friends, your interests, your likes, your dislikes. Okay. Here's some examples of some slides that you might want, and I'm going to give you the freedom to choose these, but some of you might want to use some of these. And remember, we mentioned that it's a good idea to use bullets or numbering or something like that. Okay, something like that could be your second slide. Okay. Your family members. You can go ahead and put the names of these people in, so they could be some of your family members in there. Places I would like to visit. So right now, what you're doing is you're designing your presentation. Right now, you're just getting some ideas. We're not going to put pictures in the storyboard. That'll be for when we actually do the PowerPoint itself. But and you want to have some flow. I know I've kind of jumped around here. Probably should have put family members in slide 2, and then started to get into interest in slide 3. Things like that. Now, the requirement for this PowerPoint is you're going to have at least 20 slides. Okay, at least, to get full credit. So make sure you have that. But I am going to, I'll have a list of some ideas that can help get you started. But for today's assignment, you're simply going to get the information that you want to have on the various slides. And then the day after this particular assignment, you will get a rubric that will explain exactly what you have to have in your project itself. This is just like an outline or design or whatever you want to call it. This is your storyboard. So you're going to work on this today. Going to kind of brainstorm and just get some information on the page. It doesn't have to be etched in stone. You may decide you want to make changes to it. That's fine. but this is kind of to get you started. This is a better way to do a PowerPoint rather than actually open a PowerPoint and start to do it. You want to design it first. It's important to give it some structure, kind of like the outline that you should have before maybe you write some kind of a paper or something like that. All right, so you're going to download this this template, save it to your computer, start to fill in the information, and then you're obviously going to save the changes and you'll submit them for a grade. And then tomorrow you will get your rubric and it'll explain exactly what you have to have, how many pictures, transitions, all the things you've been learning, animated GIFs, all that stuff that we practiced for several weeks. So this will be a big project. I'm going to count it as a test grade for some of you that maybe aren't real good test takers. This is your chance to shine by doing a project. And like I said, it's about you. So it's not something that you have to go do research for. You know what you like and don't like, and you know about what your life is all about. So that's what you're going to have on your PowerPoint. So go ahead and get started, and I'll answer any questions that you have as you begin. Okay, bye.